Hey guys, it's Alexis and we're about to test this baby out and make some fresh orange juice. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to use it, if I like it, if it leaves no pulp, because I hate pulp. So let's go ahead and get this baby open, try it out. So it comes with the instruction manual, cleaning brush, and all packaged up nicely. Also, disclaimer. So we're gonna go ahead, take every little piece out of the plastic. Now, I used to have a smaller Amazon juicer. I used to do all the juice shots, like the ginger and all that. But that juicer left all the pulp in. It was a pain in the butt to clean. So this is like a professional grade one. So we're gonna try it out. My base thing I use to judge juicers is orange juice. Because if you can't get oranges right, it's not gonna get the other things right, you know? So we're gonna go ahead, test that out. I got a big old bowl of oranges. So you just put this piece into there, lock it, then the hexagon piece in the filter, like that. Like that. You put the smaller one underneath, bigger one on the outside. I guess to pulp the juice, or it's flip-flopped. We'll see. I'm just gonna do like a quick, I'm just gonna cut them like a quick peel to get rid of the rind as much as possible, but I'm not gonna be strict with it because it'll take out the rind and the pulp. But if you leave it, you're gonna get a little more of like that flavor of the rind. All right, I have 6 oranges cut, so I'm gonna go ahead and plug this thing in. This is the pusher to get it up. We're gonna turn it on and start putting some in. This is way quieter than other ones. And we're just gonna push it in. And keep it going. All right, now I'm gonna turn it off. That's all the pulp it pushed out. It's pretty dry. It got all the juice out. So all the juice from the 6 oranges. So I don't think it's a cold press, it's a slow juicer. So you're gonna have some pulp. I haven't found a juicing machine that's not gonna leave pulp. Anytime I would juice, I'd have to double strain anyways, so I don't know. You just need a big old strainer. Just run it through one, and it'll be fine. So now it's time for the taste test. Let's see. Did it even do good? That's some good orange juice. It is no pulp. Once you just do a quick one strain through, you'll be fine. I definitely recommend this little machine. It was super easy to use. I'm gonna go ahead and try clean it, but it already looks like it's easy to take apart and clean. So check it out. It seems like it's not the type to juice like those hard things. It's more of like a mush juice, so like your oranges, like the ones that are made to juice, like you would drink. It doesn't seem like it has that grinding like some juices do. I don't know. I haven't tried. I don't have any other fruit to test it with. But for orange juice, it's great. I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this, and I will catch you next time.